Hello and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious street style aloo chop. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी के ओडिया रे देखिया को चाहछन्ती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. Let's start with the recipe. First take 4 boiled potatoes and mash them. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadai and then add half teaspoon of Panchforan. Let it splutter and then add 2 tablespoon of raw peanuts. Roast them a little and then add 1 chopped green chili and half inch of ginger grated. Add salt according to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Roast the spices for a minute and then add the mashed potatoes. Mix the potatoes with the spices. Now add few chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Turn off the heat and transfer it to a plate. Allow it to cool down. Take 1 cup of besan or gram flour in a bowl and then add half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and then add water to form a thick batter. The batter should be of this consistency. Take a small portion of the potato mixture in greased palms and make a ball. Press lightly and flatten a little. This is the perfect shape we are looking for. Prepare all the potato balls like this. Heat oil for deep frying. Our oil is perfectly hot now. Coat the potato balls with the gram flour batter and carefully drop in the oil. Flip and cook from all the sides. Our aloo chops are perfectly brown in color now. Take them out on a paper towel. Serve hot with your choice of chutney or sauce. These are perfect for anytime snacking. So do try it out yourselves and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.